Hey guys, this is Joe Nichols, the Mountain Man, and you're watching Arkie Outdoors, and today I'm out chasing waterfalls. Alright guys, we're out at Moonshiners Cave. I'm really excited to bring you guys along. This is something I've been planning for about 3 months. And I've got a couple different crews with me today. I'm going to introduce you to my son, Jonathan, with Different Lens Media. And I'm also with Mason with Ragnarok Digital. These guys are going to do some filming for me today, and we're going to see what kind of video we can do. Come along with us while you enjoy this beautiful state. Alright guys, this is Moonshiners Cave. It's located on Arkansas Highway 74, or also known as Devil's Den Road. According to all trail maps, this trail is rated a medium to hard trail due to the steep, rocky, and rooty terrain. Alright guys, so I had one of my viewers leave a comment and asking about what kind of footwear do I recommend when I'm hiking. I did return the comment, but I usually wear a couple different pairs. My number one favorite that I like is my oboe bridgers. They're kind of a 3/4 high. They're not all the way tall. They're not like tennis shoes. They're kind of a mid-high, and those are my favorites. I'm on my second pair. I put over 200 miles on the first pair, and then I started working in them, and I worked in them for about 3 years, and they just now got thrown away. So, most comfortable boot I've ever worn. I also have some Kings mid-high hiking boots that I like very well. I actually wore those in the last video. It just kind of depends on what I'm doing. The Kings have a little wider foot box, and I had to buy these in extra wide. They seem like they run a little narrower in the oboes, but they do offer it in extra wide sizes, so it's not really been an issue. But anyway, John, I hope that answered your question. And anyway, thank you so much for commenting and engaging with me. I appreciate that. Alright guys, this is Moonshiners Cave. And search for the history for this. Some say it was from the early 1800s settlers. Others say it was from moonshiners hiding out from the law around 1906. Alright guys, if you made it this far, stay tuned to the end for some uncut raw footage of how we got these shots. All right, guys, this has been Moonshiner Cave. Thanks for hiking with us today. I want to thank Jonathan and Mason for coming out and running the camera with me today. Guys, if you like this, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and share. I love you. I'll see you on the flip side, and maybe I'll see you somewhere on the trails.
Yeah. Try it again. All right.
Almost nighttime to get that shot. The water is running, it's beautiful. Okay, we'll walk down here. You can play down the woods if you want, but I was thinking drop them up here, down, and just kind of swing out wide and then drop. What I'm thinking is we'll stand over here out of the way, out of the frame, come up from the rock, and reveal slow motion with Moonshiners Cave. And once you get up about head height, 5-6 feet, you turn it towards the waterfall and just kind of keep turning it until you get all that bluff in there. I think that'll be awesome. See that rock down there? The flat rock? Yeah, on down the creek a little ways. If you can come up from there, like the lower you could go, the better, but I also don't want you to get it in the water. I just want to kind of reveal it from like straight up and like kind of just let it reveal slowly, and then we'll get it about 6 feet off that. And then you can kind of just pan it, and then maybe slide around the bluff a little bit, aiming at the bluff if you can. So I got faith in you.